Hello friends, welcome to the series videos on the mathematics behind the most mathematical flag, which is the flag of Nepal. So today we are going to talk about the area of the flag. So without any delay, I'm going to draw the basic outline of the flag of Nepal, and I strongly recommend you to see the previous videos in which we have already calculated the lengths of these different distances in the flag, so that it will be easy to calculate the area for us today. So from the previous video, we take fc equals a, or the length of the base of this flag, and then cf is equal to this value. Then we can see from this triangle, this right angle triangle, the value of tan angle z is equal to perpendicular by base, which is this value. Then the width of the blue border is this length, is given by this value, which we have already calculated. Then one important thing you need to understand is this length is given by width divided by sine g, and this length is given by width divided by tan g. So by applying this rule, we can calculate the value for x, y, which will be width plus a up to here plus this value and plus width by tan g to find xy. So by putting the proper values, we can get this value for xy. Then we calculate xz, since this is a bigger right angle, so xz can be calculated by using xy times tan z. Since angle z is equal to angle y, so we can use tan z instead of tan y. So the area of this triangle, which has got the black border, so the area of the triangle which has got black border, or triangle xyz, can be found by using the formula 1 by 2 times base into height. The base is the length xy, and this height xz is the distance xy times tan z. So we will get 1 by 2 times xy square times tan z. So by approximating these values, we will get 0.445 times a square. Similarly, we are going to find the area of this trapezium, and we will add these areas to get the final area. So let's see in the figure, this is angle E, and since this is a right angle isosceles triangle, so the value of sine E or sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2, and tan 45 or tan E is equal to 1, and XU, this length XU is equal to AF. You can just imagine that AF is just translated over this distance, so XU and AF are equal, which is equal to A by square root of 2, which I have brought from the previous video. Then FE is equal to this value, which is also from the previous video, and width we have already calculated. Then in the similar way, XW, let's draw a line like this, and to find XW, first we add width, this width plus FE, and here also it forms a right angle triangle like this, so we are going to add this value. So this value is nothing but width by sine E, and again a right angle triangle will be formed, and we are going to add this value, which is width by tan E. So overall formula will be like this. Then by putting the proper values, we will get the result of XW. Then we find the value for UV, which is this length, by using the same principle, width plus AB, and the similar triangles will be formed, and we will do this to find out the overall distance from here to here and from here to here. Since the angle is B, so we're using angle B. and we also see that sine B and sine E are equal, since they are both 45 degrees, and tan B and tan E are also equal, which is equal to 1. So by simplification we'll get this value. Let's find out xw plus uv. So xw plus uv will be the sum of the parallel lines of the trapezium. So by adding these two values, xw and uv, we will get this result. Then we're going to find out the value for the area, which is 1 by 2 times the perpendicular length, that is xu, times the sum of the parallel lines, that is xw and uv. So let's do the calculation by putting the values, and we will get this result, and we will reach to this approximation of 0.561 squared. So the total area of the flag is the area of this black portion and the area of this green trapezium. So by approximation we add these two values to get the value, that is approximate equal to 1.006 a square, and this is where it turns out interesting. Let's draw a square with length a, since we have already considered the length AB to be of length a. So this will be a square with length a, and the area of this square with length a is a square, and the total area of the flag is around 1.006 a squared, which means it is approximately equal to a square. So what we can conclude is that the total area of map of Nepal is equal to the area of square that is formed by the length AB. That means we can put all the map in this blue square. So that's all about finding area. So thanks for watching.